It's a beautiful day by the water. A day that we could have a barbecue. Oh yeah. The sky, sunrise. Got red, peachy color up ahead. Hey, I'm Fish. I got with me is the Insta360 mic Air and the Ace Pro 2. And we'll continue on with that in the second half of our vlog. There's that heron again, that blue heron. He sees me. Let's get as close as we can. There he goes. Let's head down to the beach, see if we can catch that sunrise. If it's a little too late, at least we get to see it anyway. Raccoon, he's looking right at you. Look at the gate. Towards the right, the pole right there. You don't see raccoons during the day for the reasons of, you know why. I don't know. So I'm not going to approach him. I'm going to simply get on out of here because he'll run. And they're pretty fast indeed. A seagull. Looks like he's eating a crab. A different type of seagull. Oh man, he's saying I want that food as well. Well, I think I'm a little too early for the sunrise. Or maybe a little too late. I gotta get moving. I can't stand here. The little spies, the bugs, they're out. So I'm gonna continue my bike ride. Go the opposite way. Thank you for the puddle. Cleans my wheels off. He's still there. He's just hanging. What's he hanging for? Guess the raccoon likes the city. City slicker. We switched on over to the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 and the Insta360 mic Air. Well, it's behind the shirt. This is not on. So there you go. I could pull it out so it don't make any noise. It's on the outside of the shirt. It's a little windy, if asked. Not a lot windy. It's comfortable indeed. The tree's got a marking. And there you go. It's called the Weeping Willow. Got information to read. Why couldn't they put a post or a little statue in front, a monument or something, a plaque, but on the tree? I don't know. I'm happy they decided to leave the gate open, probably because of spring through fall. When I start out with the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, each morning, I know I download all my videos off. I format my card through the camera. And when I'm finished with my vlog and my stories and I get back to the computer, I see the first video, a photo. I don't know what that is all about. I say, hey Fish, did you hit photo by mistake? But my first video is exactly what I shot, but I have a photo of my start. Maybe it's something in the settings that I never knew about. I want to pitch a tent, park it like so, have my scooters, golf cart, and so forth. Kitty cat sleeping, woke him up. I'm on the bike trail. It's kind of bumpy because of the roots underneath. Lifted it up, separated it, and more. I want to start in external audio, the mic. There's always a little bit of, let's say, dead space. It starts off at the end as well, depending if using the remote, the shutter, hand gesture, or remote of anything. Now, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 does a nice job. It really does. I'm happy. No exposure spikes. People are saying, oh, because the curvature, the convex of the lens is too rounded. Well, what about the Ace Pro 2, the DJI Osmo Action 5? It's the same lens as the Action 4, the same lens as the Action 3. Oh, the light on any angle. Yeah, it's going to cause the exposure spike. It is what it is, man. Nothing we can do about it. We'll see if we get a couple of rounds in on the trail and get on going. One is for biking and the other is for walking. I should go on the walking trail. Maybe we should have an off-road trail. Maybe we should have a skate park trail. Maybe we should have an RC trail. Maybe we should have some exercise trail. That we don't. They drew their marks. Finally, after so many months, years, even the walking, they got their marks too. The tables, benches, and for the kids, parks, paddleball, tennis, and more. And throw that ball, shuffleball. Well, as they do mark the floor on one side, as you can see how they mark the floor on the other, they still need to continue forward. It's like the golden hour. The sun's up. I did my first round. I'm on my second. Like walking, I get a couple of rounds in. Here I am. One more round to go. Recycling picking for bottles. Keeps the trash cans low, I guess. Oh, I'm hands-free for this round. I'm in third gear of the Cannondale Adventure 2. I need to do a little bit of general maintenance, a little greasing. I don't see him. There he is. And they're not supposed to be flying low in the area, and yet they are still. And a plane is coming across. I don't get that. Take a look into the sun. A ET. No, another plane. Hidden by the trees. Well, we're heading on back. A little detour. I got my ride in, my talk in. So let's get going. I don't see the stove anymore. Building's still under construction all these years. So we're heading to our favorite place. Get some bagels. And our bagels, buy a dozen, get 6 free. The Bagel Shop offers a dozen plus free on Wednesday. Today at $16, a price increase. It used to be at $14. You come in at a certain time to get hot bagels, and thereafter the bagels will be cool. The bagels are good, and they're not like they used to be years ago all over. A different hand, and these used to be bagels shown in the window, scrunched together, squared. Bagels are good. Let's get going. I'm kind of clear when I ask for 1 dozen of everything and 6 of cinnamon. I sometimes do not get what I ask for. Let's wrap this up. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2. When I shut my camera down, eventually my mic went off under 5 minutes. I came back, I had to make sure I turned it on and the camera on. It took up to 30 seconds because I had to look, and then 15 seconds later, it was on. I'm happy I dedicated the mic to both cameras. I'm happy I use the mic 2 for the Action 5 Pro. And I'm happy to use the mic Air for the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. This way you get 2 different types of video. And the 2 different types of video, you get to choose which you like best. Well, yeah, they're not going to be the same because of change of lighting. But it is what it is, man. If you're torn between both, just get both. And then you'll find out you'll be grabbing one than the other. What's happening here? making his own parking spot. Went down the wrong road. And we're turning. I hope you enjoyed the show. I showed it from the eyes of the camera and talking to the camera of what I see and what happens. I'm Fish, and I'll catch you on the next videos to come. There's just like 7,215 or so. Have a great day.